So hello students, in this video we will be studying about credit rating. So what happens in credit rating means, so your credit means some amount of money we have taken as means amount of money we have borrowed, or we also call as debtor means certain amount of money we have taken. Take example, this money we have taken from a person, that is he is a investors, means investor may be individuals or companies, or they may organizations, means they have certain amount of saving as a money, saving of a money, or they have some extra money. Take example, these investors have given 10 lakh rupees for this borrower. Okay, 10 lakh rupees as a borrower, and 10 lakh rupees as a loan. Certain rules and conditions have set that this much percent of interest you should pay me on every month until the 10 lakh rupees amount you have paid. Okay, what happened? Starting 3 months, this debtor has been paid interest to the investors. After once the fourth month have been started, this debtor had been not paying the interest amount as well as this 10 lakh rupees principal amount. Why? Means certain reasons may occur, like means this debtor has become default, means he don't have that much money to pay to that persons. Automatically the loss will become for this investor only, because this much of amount has been lost. For that purpose, in India this type of cases have been generally increasing. Default cases have been generally increases. For that purpose, to avoid this risks in India, certain types of credit rating agencies have been incorporated in India. What this agency will do means, first they will evaluate the persons, means how is capable, whether that person is able to pay the debt amount on time or not. They will help to the investors, means what kind of that in companies is there. If you invest in that amount, means whether they will pay the amount on time or not. This credit rating has been can be done through individuals or like countries. Okay, first we'll study about individual. What happens in individual means, suppose a person has applied a loan for, suppose for example in SBI bank. Suppose he has approached that person to SBI, that much loan he want. What this SBI will do, they will check all his transactions. Means suppose he has taken loan from Axis Bank. Suppose previously he has taken a loan from Axis Bank. This SBI bank will check that all record transactions through Axis Bank, means how much loan he has taken. Suppose if the person that individual person has paid the loan on regular basis on time. If that such case happen, means this SBI will grant the loan to that person. Mean they will charge a interest rate at low. I mean, suppose in this previous ratings it has found that that person has paid all the loans with interest and principal amount on time. Suppose the Axis Bank have charged him 8% of interest. Same way SBI will charge for him interest at low. For example, it will be 7.9% or 7.8. This happens to the individual. Next comes, same way every country's ratings will be given. Suppose a country would like to take a loan from another bank, means ratings will be given. How the ratings we will given means, according to the what is the economic conditions of that country, and what is the inflation is about that country. Suppose if there is no economic condition is not good and the inflation is not good, means the credit rating will be given as a C. Means the grades will be given like A and A, means A means good, like excellent, and A means good, means C means poor means they will directly indicate that don't invest amount in that country. Means if you invest means the recover amount will be if the chance of recovery will be not good. Same way if the economic conditions and the inflation is good means they will give credit rating as a good, means it will help to the investors to invest that amount. This is a brief introduction of credit rating. Means they will give as a rating to all the individuals as well as country. It will help to the investors means whether they want to invest in that country as well as to the persons or not. So detail will study about what is the meaning of credit rating. Means here credit rating means evaluates. Here credit rating means evaluates the debtor ability to pay back the debt and the likelihood of default. Okay, credit rating means it checks the ability of the persons, it may be individuals or company, organizations or a country. Means suppose they have taken any loan, whether they have ability to pay back that amount or not. For that we call as credit rating. Okay, as well as a credit rating means here what happens, a credit rating means evaluate the credit worthiness of a debtor, especially a business or a government. Means it evaluates the what is the credit worthiness of the suppose a business or government, whether suppose a loan they have taken, whether they will repay back the loan on the time or not. Okay, credit ratings are determined by credit rating agencies. There are certain credit rating agency. For in India we have agency like we have CRISIL. Means Credit Rating Information Services of India Limited. We have this kind of an agency, and one more we have CARE agency. Okay, CARE agency means Credit Analysis and Research Limited. Means they will give ratings for the individual persons as well as the government. How they will give ratings means, for example, the ratings are divided like AAA, AA, BB and C. A means excellent, A means good, B means very good and C means poor. Means suppose a poor credit rating indicates like means given opinions means that company or government has a high risk of defaulting. Means suppose if the investor invest to that individual persons or the governments or to the groups to the organizations, means if invest means there is high risk of defaulting, means their persons don't have that much capability of paying the amount. Okay, that is called as agencies. Hope you understood. Credit rating means it is one kind of rating that evaluates the debtor's ability. Debtor's ability means they pay back the debt amount that they have taken from the investors and the likelihood of the default. Likelihood of the default means that a borrower will be unable to meet his debts obligations. Okay, next comes definitions. According to CRISIL, credit rating is unbiased, objective and independent opinion to an issuer's capacity to meet financial obligations. Means a credit rating is fairly able to judge, means they will fairly able to judge objectives and independence, and they shares the opinions to an issuers whether they want to invest their amount in that specific to individuals or organizations. Means they evaluate whether if you invest in that country means whether they will pay back your money or not. That is called as definition according to CRISIL. Next comes origins. Okay, means when this credit rating was established, the first mercantile credit agency was set up in New York in the year 1841. Its ability to pay their financial obligations. The first credit rating was established in New York in the year 1841. Later it was taken by Robert Doan in the year 1859. The second agency was established by John Bradstreet in 1849, which was later merged with the first agency from Dun and Bradstreet in 1943, which became the owner of Modes Investors in 1962. Next, the origin of credit rating in India. Okay, the first credit rating in India was CRISIL. Okay, CRISIL, I have told, Credit Rating Information Service of India Limited, was set up in January 1987. This is the first credit rating agency in India. Next, it is incorporated and later it was promoted by ICICI Limited along with UTI and other financial institutions. Mr. N. Vagwal and Pradeep Shah were the first chairman and managing director of CRISIL. Later, the first private sector rating institution in India was Duff's and Phelps Credit Rating Agency in India, that was formed in 1995. Next comes what are the needs, means why credit rating is important. Okay, the first, it says that it is necessary for growing the number of cases of default, means earlier the default cases have been generally increases with while they were not paying the payment of interest as well as the repayment of principal borrowed by the way. For that purpose, this credit rating has been came into existence, means it says what are the means where the investor want to invest the amount, they will give ratings to the certain groups of individuals. Next, maintenance of investors confidence. If the credit rating has if there is there means the investors confidence will be increased, means since default of the investor corporate instrument will be reduced. If the credit rating if there means the default case will be reduced. Next, it also protect the interest of investors who cannot investigate much into the merits of the debt instrument of the company, means it protect the interest of investors. How means these investors cannot investigate about the where they are investing. For if the credit rating gives good rating, means the interest of the investor will be automatically increase. Next, it motivates savers to invest in industry and trade, means once the credit rating has given by the certain agency, means it motivates to the investors to invest their money as well as in the industry as well as trade.